how to share your contact info on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your contacts here, and if you click on this, you have to make sure that you're actually on your updated version of iPhone, the iOS 17, because they have this new feature where you can share your contact information from another iPhone by just simply bumping the phone with each other. So the next thing that you want to do here is you will see your card here. Tap on your card, and let's say you want to share it. For example, you're tapping or you're sharing your contact, and you keep on getting the you cannot actually share your contact information because of a specific reason. Then the reason for that is you haven't still registered your number here or your mobile number. Now you have to click on here your mobile number. Click on your mobile number here, and the next thing that you will do is you will see here your contact photo and poster. Click on that, and then here you will see name and photo sharing. Tap that on, and here you will see share automatically, and it's set on always ask. So you can actually share it to contacts only, but if you want to share it to like strangers, then tap on always ask here. And then basically that's how you share your contact information in iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.